we'll talk about how to create a GIF file and then how we can put the GIF file on top of a video, kind of overlaying the GIF file over a video. So I have a few GIF images. So I have images. Through this image, I'll create a GIF file. So GIF file is set of images clubbed together where each image will get displayed for some time. So these are the images. So now images should come in one file and it should be displayed as animation one by one. It will be displayed the way it is happening here, frame by frame. That is GIF file. Okay, so for that we can use the command. So there is a command called convert. It comes in package ImageMagick. You have to install sudo apt get install ImageMagick if it is not there. Okay, so I have installed ImageMagick and it has convert. Okay, so ImageMagick version 6.9.7 we are using. So convert we have to type. Then how the images will loop. If GIF file need to be played only once, we need to put 1, 2, or if it is infinite, so that GIF file will run again and again. So it is 0, so we'll put 0. Okay. And then we will have dispose background so that previous image will not stick to next image, so it will get cleared out. And then whatever frame we have, so we'll say eagle.png, and what is the output we want, we'll say eagle.gif. Okay, so these are the files. Dispose background. Okay, so eagle.gif is created. If I want to play eagle.gif, I can just click on it and it's happening. So this is taking some default duration. I can make the duration as delay 2 multiplied by 10, so 20 millisecond it will loop. So each frame will run for 20 millisecond. So it would be faster now. Okay, the way it is, because each frame is 20 millisecond. It is really faster. Now we can make it very slow. We'll make it kind of 40. So each frame is 40 now. Okay, so it is really very slow. So this is similar to kind of, I'll just place it to text. Okay. So we have all files. Okay, so it is as good as typing like this. Okay, it is same effect. Delay 40 is for each frame, so it is same thing. Okay, it is quite slow as it can be seen. Now we can change the delay as per the frame. So delay 40 is okay, but at the probably okay. So delay is 40, so we'll keep it as delay as 10, and after few uh, frames are passing through, we'll make it show 30. Now delay 30 will be for frames which is followed by the delay 30 statement. After this we'll make it delay 2, so it should be very fast. So it depends upon which frame how much delay we want. So initially it is 10, then 30, then 2. So it will be okay, moderate, very slow, and then okay. So this is how it is. So it is not continuous, we can see. Okay, so initially it starts with moderate, then very slow, then fast. Okay, so this is how frame by frame we can change. Okay, so okay, we will make it fast, kind of 10, that is the default. So speed is normal. Okay, so speed is convert loop dispose delete 10 eagle.png eagle.png. Okay, so it is smooth as it can be seen. Now we will place this on a video. So I have a video here, input.mp4. I have a simple video here, and there is no eagle anywhere in the video.